one your solution, how to tortoise using with GitHub, and how to use your Android project or another any kind of your project, how to send to GitHub using tortoise. First of all, choose your project. I have one folder or directory. Selected that directory and copy that name, and I also create one directory or repository. I have one create repository. Then this is already one created. Then I have selected another file or another project. Then okay, check is available. Then private, you can choose one, public or private, both. Private is a committer who can not see your repository or your project. You cannot another person cannot see. And public, anyone can access your file or project. Create one, and I am create the one private. Create repository. Done. Then I copy that path, copy, and I also git folder. I have create one git folder, and that copy that path, put here. Git clone is using is here v10. Okay, is create is a empty directory, but I have selected that all the detailed project here. I all copy and put it here. Git v10. This is a repository directory, and copy the all detail your project related. Once a copy, then after all the project is here, my old project is here. I have no more space in my local computer, then I store in GitHub, so you can anytime access your project, and you can get in GitHub. So my suggestion is the best Git cloud storage, yeah, GitHub you best. You can store in best way. Then I am complete this process. I have done it. I add to tortoise git. Here all the information is here, and all the file related is here, and I copy that and okay, selected all the details. Tortoise Git is a software and available in the internet. You can download and install that in your local computer, and then you can this web process start. I commit that and I have done this project. Okay, I committed, and also I commit all the files and it git command process push into in your github. Then yeah, one dialog open. Abbreviatory URL means you can send which URL, then copy that URL and paste here, and okay. Means you can three software, git clone, git, tortoise, and github pros. All the detail is here. I will check that details. If first of all empty and then next all, then I have done this project. Then here is I committed, that commit message is here, and all the app folder is here, and I show you app folder is here, and all the details here. Google services is Google services. Yeah, I have done this project, and if any question or query you can send me comment, and I will suggest you how to work tortoise git, and manually this is a manually process, and you can any kind of software, any kind of project you send it with using tortoise. Thank you so much, and I have done.